Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. One of the bedrooms is on the ground floor with a helper's quarters and a parlor just off the entry. The kitchen is a large sitting kitchen which spills out to the back garden while being right beside the formal dining. The home sits on quarter acre of land and is ideally located a few minutes from the Mandeville town center and also 4 minutes from the highway. The other rooms also enjoy a very generous floor area, bright lighting with well-placed windows and ample storage. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £270,000, Jamaican 54.2 million, or US $352.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.